Remember those starry nights when all your favorites were up on the silver screen? Now, those nights are back to drive a whole new generation wild. For the first time on home video, RCA Columbia presents Drive-In Classics.
It's what I've been predicting for years.
And as a special bonus, take a blast to the past and see the original theatrical trailers.
The head of the gang is George Kelly, sometimes known as Machine Gun.
Charles Bronson as Machine Gun Kelly brings shockingly alive the time of as vicious a killer as you've ever known. Susan Cabot as Flo, his girl, as wanton a woman as Kelly is wild.
You like beautiful things, Howard.
More than anything else in the world.
Get away from him.
These are the untamed of our world, killers by instinct, like the mountain lion.
Fanny, why don't you take the beating I gave you like a man?
No!
Well, it gives us about 3 minutes with only the guard to worry about.
3 minutes isn't enough.
I'll work it out.
You were scared, weren't you? He'll gun you down, George. You hear me? He's in with a new bunch. You're on the spot. Howard wants to kill you.
What's this all about? What's everybody running from?
It's the end of everything.
What do you mean?
I'm not arguing theory, General. I'm here to ask you, to beg you, to save your own world.
It, the most fascinating mastermind man can conceive. A monster that can control all sources of the Earth's power. Able to pull man-made spaceships from their orbits. Making of those it chooses slaves. Of this woman, a willing handmaiden. Of the chief of police, a cold-blooded killer.
Well, I've known you for 5 years. You just killed a man in cold blood. Why? I'll have to place you under protective custody.
Peter Graves, the scientist who fought it. Beverly Garland, who believed her love stronger than it. Lee Van Cleef, whose brilliant mind was captured by it.
Are you really ready to stop loving me?
I'll need you even when no emotion exists.
For a few dollars, you can hire a woman who'll fit all your fetishes. She'll match your requirements perfectly. Then if you ever get tired of her, you can always run down to the employment agency for another.
You'll know terror to freeze your blood. You'll feel the heart-stopping strength of the most fearful monster ever known.
You think you're gonna make a slave of the world? I'll see you in hell first.
It conquered the world.
Labeled by Time magazine, Sex on the Rocks. She's a man-crazy blonde. He's a detective hunting a murderer. Together they take you from high society to the lowest dives in the female jungle. Kathleen Crowley, a girl hungry for too many things. Lawrence Tierney, in his toughest role since Dillinger. John Carradine, suave, sinister, menacing. And Bert Kaiser, a man victimized by the female jungle.
Fire in your lips, and you can be tender with your wife.
You've got a photograph that confirms Mr. Vaugh's statement, Mr. Olmsted. Supposing you with my wife. That's what I want to know. You have time talking to him. Why you laughing at him? You pick bullying me.
This man no woman knows, and only a foolish woman challenges. Join the manhunt for a lady killer in the most vicious jungle in the world, the female jungle.
Help me, Doctor, please! I know they're going to catch me, but don't let anyone see me like that. Please, Doctor, help me!
Michael Landon in a powerful performance as the boy possessed. Yvonne Lyon, appealing as the girl who loves him. Whit Bissell, unforgettable as the scientist maddened by the mystery of the werewolf. And Tony Marshall, a tough, friendly enemy.
These the official pictures?
Yes, Chief.
Slash on either side of the throat. You got any theories?
Fangs.
He was killed by a werewolf.
Panic penetrates every home when this strange, unknown killer hits town, taking hold of the teenage crowd, coloring their practical jokes with hysterical humor that'll make you fall flat on your face with horror.
Remember how wonderful it was when you sprang and suddenly dug in with your fangs, a soft throat, the gush of warm blood?
No! No!
Nothing you've ever seen has such blood-chilling savagery. Nothing you've ever conceived packs such a spine-tingling jolt. This high school boy, a teenage werewolf, a constant threat of claw-ripping attack to everyone, to the brave and the beautiful.
And now, our drive-in classic.